Have you ever noticed the differences between all the series Tarmacworks has to offer for us collectors? The latest Tarmacworks drop will help you out. First of all, there is Global 64, the basic line of Tarmacworks, which has all sort of types such as Formula 1 cars, rally cars, hypercars, regular ones, and so much more. And yes, the wheels roll freely. The types of packaging also varies. We got the regular boxes here, followed by those who are bigger because there are some tarmac cards in it to collect and trade. And there are also these types of packaging here, which have a more exclusive look. Cars from Road 64 go one step higher, featuring all kind of road legal cars. The wheels usually do not roll, but the models are more detailed than the regular series and are generally nicely presented in these types of packaging. You can check all the cars shown here online at tarmacworks.com or on paper in the 2026 booklet. Hobby 64 is practically the same as Road 64. Over here as well, the wheels are fixed, a criterion that is often requested by the collectors. In addition, the models are presented in the same way as Road 64, in acrylic glass, screwed onto a base plate and a matching background. However, Hobby 64 focuses entirely on racing cars and modified vehicles. Examples here include racing Porsches and RWB tuning cars. Furthermore, we have the option of combining Hobby 64 with Tarmacworks collector cards exclusively for the vehicle. Incidentally, you can also collect these Tarmac cards separately based on theme. For example, there will soon be special collector cards for Toy Story fans, or, as shown here, specifically from tuning companies such as Liberty Walk, RWB, or Top Secret, whereby there are also degrees of rarity here. The cherry on top is even autographed cards from the CEOs. Hobby 64 is also bringing containers back into play. This type of packaging is particularly popular because it can be stacked and either completely sealed or fitted with protective glass. Hobby 64 also offers a version where the model is presented together with a lorry. The lorry serves more as protective packaging and, as shown here, is also delivered with tarmac cards. Hobby 64 Plus goes one step further here, which we have seen particularly in rally models such as the Lancia 037 or Ford RS200. Even more details and openable parts characterize this range. And then there's Truck 64. As the name suggests, Tarmacworks also offers truck models. These include the particularly popular Mitsubishi Fuso advertising trucks, which we know from Japan, for example. In addition to Hello Kitty, there is Ohige no Pon, a character created by a Japanese cartoon artist as an exclusive collab. In general, Tarmacworks is well known to collab with all kinds of factories, brands, drivers, influencers, or even actors such as Sung Kang from Fast and the Furious. The Ferrari GT Limited Edition is a sub-series under the Tarmacworks line. Manufacturers Centuria and Ixo together offer a very wide range of highly realistic Ferrari models, old ones from the very beginning to the most recent Ferraris. Tarmacworks now also offers a lot of merchandise, including Liberty Walk stickers and recently a collaboration with the American fashion brand New York Sunshine. Part of that are exclusive cars, trucks, air fresheners, stickers, and more. Now, which series is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comments down below.